Here, it's your boy Dubs Daily, just making a little quick video of me installing the Bose speakers I got from the Mazdaspeed into this stock piece of shit here. I already did it on the driver's side, got it out. All right, we don't need that. And here's the Bose speaker. Yes, it is dented, but the other one looked better, right? You know when you guys just want the better stuff on the better side? Some of you guys will understand what I'm saying. All right, anyways, talking too much, let me just get right into it. So what you're gonna wanna do is get a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool, get this panel out of here, and get this panel out of here too. And also, when we get to this part, you're gonna wanna pull this aside and then get right between that little crevice right there and pry this out, and there'll be a screw that you have to unscrew in here, and also 2 screws that you're gonna have to unscrew in the panels. So let me just show you guys. See, got the door panels out. There's a screw there, like I said. Also a screw at the bottom that you're gonna have to unscrew. Phillips head screwdriver. For this panel, you're gonna have to disconnect the wiring harness that controls the passenger side window. Just press down on this side and you'll be able to pull it out. Just make sure you're holding it as you're pulling it, rather as you're pressing it, sorry. And also, like I said, with here, that interior panel here between the door and the lock, just deep in here, get inside the crevice, get that flathead screwdriver or prying tool, pry it out, and then you'll have access to this Phillips head screw right there. Like I said, with this wiring harness, you're just gonna want to push right here, sorry. Push, pull, simple. One of the first things I should have mentioned, you can do it first or you can do it after you complete the steps that I just showed you guys. This right here, you're gonna have to, well, actually you don't have to pry it out with the screwdriver. You can just simply disconnect it with your hands and take it apart, just like that. It's simple. Now once that's done, you're gonna want to take your flathead screwdriver and go around the side and the bottom, get in between and try and pry it out. And then once the bottom and the sides are pried out, you should be able just to lift it up and disconnect the whole panel. So what you're gonna have to do to give yourself more clearance, I'm getting behind the door panel, is this wiring harness back here. It's connected up here. Same concept, you have to push that little part in, and as you push it, pull it out to give yourself more clearance. Once that disconnects, then you'll be good. I wish I could do something better about it hanging like this, because it's still kind of in your way, but if you just use something support right here, like your leg, like I'm doing, you should be fine. But yeah, there's a stock speaker, garbage. So what you're gonna wanna do is, same thing, push that in, and then, oh, this one's a little tougher, hold on. Okay, so this one I had trouble dealing with. I don't know if it's because it was stuck in there or whatever, but I had trouble dealing with, so I just use a screwdriver, any type should be fine. Push that in with one hand and then pull with the other, and you should get it out fine. Now what you're gonna wanna do, this part's pretty straightforward. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take those out, and then simply put the speaker in. All screws are out. Disconnect. Take the stock speaker. Make sure where you're taking the new speaker, make sure the wiring harness is, or the port is on the side where the wiring harness is located. All right. And it sits right there. All the screws do line up, by the way. There you go. Speaker installed. Let's get that wiring harness connected. And there you go. Simple, extremely simple. And then just repeat all the steps I did, but backwards, just to get that door panel on. There you go. Simple as that. Back to you. Ooh, I actually forgot. Just so they know. Now you gotta put that in, man. Now you gotta put that in, man. But now, there you go. Much better. Simple, very easy install. Yo, let's get these out of here. There you go, guys. Pretty simple install. Not complicated, but stay tuned. Got more work coming with my baby. Got more work coming with my baby. All right, my bad. I'm out.